Hi guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright guys, so if you're seeing my face for the very first time, you are highly welcome. Now in today's video, I'm going to be showing you an homemade remedy that would actually reverse all of those age-related problems. Okay guys, so now the thing is that some of those things that causes you to age quickly is stress, dehydration, smoking, and not sleeping. Okay, now also age causes you to, of course, your skin look age, but without your age, or when you prevent all of these things that I've actually mentioned to you, and you use this natural homemade remedy, man, your skin is gonna look like 20-year-old girl. You know what I mean? Yeah. And also you also have to use it to prevent, because even if you do not have wrinkles or fine lines or those age related problems on your face right now, you would have to use it for preventive measures, okay, so that it's just going to prevent all of those stuff from your face. So if you want to know what the ingredients are, do continue watching, and don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe and share, and let's dive into the video. We're going to be needing some Irish potato. Okay, now potato contains vitamin B, vitamin C, iron and potassium. Using potato on the skin or using the potato starch would help to tighten up your loose skin. It is ideal for an aged skin. It helps to remove all wrinkles and fine lines. It also helps to close or clog pores, reducing dark spots, blemishes and scars, and it also helps to remove eczema on the skin. And then also we're going to be making use of milk. Now you can as well use powdered milk or goat milk, raw milk. Now milk is a natural face cleanser. It is great in moisturizing the skin, lightening up tan and skin tone. It exfoliates the skin cells, sorts sunburns and inflamed skin, and it is ideal for acne, and it also helps to tighten up the skin, removing fine lines and as well as wrinkles. Then we're going to be making use of rice powder. Now rice powder is a great remedy that works in rejuvenating the skin and making you look ageless. It helps to remove all fine lines, wrinkles, pimples and pigmentations. And then also you're going to be needing Vaseline Blue Seal. Now this is great for an aging skin. Using Vaseline alongside with other natural remedy is going to help you or help your skin glow. It's going to retain moisture onto your skin, therefore making your skin look really young. So what we're going to do is to peel off the potato, because we're going to be needing the potato meats. And then you're going to either grate it or blend it. So I'm going to be grating the potato. Alright guys, so now we're done grating the potato. We're going to be extracting the juice from this potato. So I'm going to be pressing this so that I could get the juice out of the potato. So you're not going to be adding any water, okay, just the potato juice. That's basically what you're going to be needing. So here is the potato juice. And we're going to be needing about 2 tablespoons of this. That is 1 and that is 2. Okay, now for us not to waste, we're just going to be increasing it to 3 tablespoons, and that is perfect. Okay guys, so 1 tablespoon of this powdered milk will be better. And then we're going to be stirring this The consistency is going to be really thick. That's what you should expect. So I'm going to be putting in 1 tablespoon of rice powder, or if you have a boiled rice, you can also use that. It's perfect, and it's actually going to be thick but not too thick. It's going to be enough to just go around your skin. This is really perfect, guys. This would actually help you to reverse a dull and a rough skin. Now, to make that even better, you're going to be putting in just a little quantity of Vaseline. Now we would have to mash all this together and make sure that your consistency is actually really perfect enough, just like this. And then you have to take a little time to mix it, and then you would have to mix it really well. Now, as you keep this, it's going to get thicker, so you would have to apply it immediately you are done mixing it, okay? And perfect consistency. Hey guys, so here is the anti-aging remedy, and I and my sister, we're going to be applying that. Okay, now the thing is that applying anti-aging treatment on your skin is not, you mustn't wait for wrinkles to come out your face first. You also have to, you know, prevent it, because prevention is therefore better than cure, you know. So I have my own brush and she has her own brush, so we're just gonna be applying this, because I personally do need this a whole lot, because I need to get rid of all of this pregnancy pimples, or sorry, dark spots on my face, and also to rejuvenate my skin again. And she's actually using it to prevent. Yeah. Yeah. So what's going to be applying that on our faces. And this smells
so nice.
So nice. It smells like
I
heaven.
feel like licking it.
It smells really nice. Alright, so you have to apply this generously. Why did we say that together? You know, the thing is that when it comes to natural home remedies like this, it's affordable, so you have to pack it onto your skin, and you know, you're just gonna do the job.
Oh, feels good.
Hold on, are you taller than me, or is it because of the camera?
I'm taller than you.
Excuse me, you're not taller than me.
I'm taller than you.
Okay, so after you've applied this, you'd have to hold on for it to dry just a little bit. It's going to dry up, despite the fact that there's Vaseline in it. It's going to dry up, and when it dries, you're just going to wash it off. It's going to tighten up your skin. It's going to remove all of those fine lines, all of those age spots, and it's going to help you glow your skin really well. Okay. This is actually also ideal to put under your eyes, because all of the ingredients in it are very mild and friendly for your under eye. That's if you have a darkness around that side, okay? So you can also apply it there. So my sister is around for some time, so you're basically going to be seeing her a lot in my video because she loves applying all of this natural stuff on her skin, and she has a flawless skin.
Aww.
Okay, so after applying it, you would have to hold on for some time, and then you have to hold on for some time, and then you go wash it off, and you can apply this remedy 2 times in a week just to prevent you from having those horrible fine lines and dropping of jaw and laugh line. You know, we laugh every day, like we smile. So basically
Except you're a witch.
there's a tendency for you to have a laugh line, so this is going to help you to tighten the skin and produce more collagen on your skin, therefore making your skin look younger and really, really beautiful. So we're gonna go wash our skin, and I'll be right back.
We will be right back.
So basically that's it, guys. Using Vaseline alongside with potato and this other natural homemade remedy would reverse all of those dullness and dryness, and your skin is going to be looking really, really flawless and beautiful. So go try this out, and I'm sure you're going to be loving it, but do give it time because it is natural homemade remedy. There is no chemical, no preservatives. It's just you mixing it up and applying it, and you are going to be seeing the result. So that's it, guys. If you do enjoy watching this video, don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe and share, and I'll see you soon in my next video. Bye, guys.